Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wendy and Don't Starve together. First, understand Wendy's core mechanics. She starts with Abigail's flower, which summons her ghostly sister. Wendy herself deals 25% less damage than other survivors, but this is offset by Abigail's powerful attacks. Her unique sanity mechanic means she gains sanity when near monsters, making exploration less stressful. This guide will help you utilize her strengths effectively. Abigail is your primary combat companion. She deals 10 damage per hit and possesses 600 health, making her quite durable. Her most valuable asset is her area of effect attack, hitting up to 3 enemies at once. This is fantastic for clearing groups of spiders or hounds. Remember, Abigail's damage output doubles during dusk and night, making her incredibly potent in low-light conditions. Use this to your advantage for nighttime farming. Wendy's playstyle revolves around efficient resource gathering and managing groups of enemies. Her inherent 25% damage reduction means she's not a solo boss killer, but Abigail compensates for this. Wendy also loses sanity 10% slower in darkness and gains sanity when near monsters, which is a huge perk. This allows you to explore caves and dangerous biomes with less worry about your mental state, making her a great explorer. For advanced play, always prioritize crafting a cistern. This item allows you to heal Abigail and instantly resummon her if she falls in battle, which is crucial for sustained combat. Leverage Abigail's area damage to efficiently clear spider nests for silk and monster meat, which you can then cook for food or trade. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Mastering Wendy means mastering Abigail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.